Just yesterday, we had seen one of the other counters doing very well, and that was Vodafone Idea. Shared rally almost 10% as the telecom major has approached the Supreme Court seeking further clarity on the AGR dues in its fresh plea. Yes, of course, the outcome has been positive, but let me take it across to Samir Dikshit for more details, who filed this report earlier. Samir.
A major relief to telecom player Vodafone Idea. Vodafone Idea once again approached the Supreme Court citing an error in the last judgment of the Supreme Court. There was a paragraph which lacked some sort of clarity, based on which Vodafone Idea approached the Supreme Court, and now the Supreme Court has considered the plea and has allowed that this particular paragraph should provide more clarity. So basically, the paragraph which was raised by Vodafone Idea mentioned that the central government can reassess the additional AGR dues, but not detailed or the entire AGR dues, based on which Vodafone Idea approached the Supreme Court. Now, after the Supreme Court allowing the revision, it simply means that the entire reassessment can be done not just for the additional AGR dues, but also for the entire AGR dues. Now, let me tell you that Vodafone Idea initially approached the Supreme Court citing to quash the additional AGR dues of rupees approx 9,500 crore that was raised by Department of Telecom, whereas the total AGR dues on Vodafone Idea is of roughly around rupees 84,000 crore. But in the last Supreme Court judgment, it mentioned that the plea has been quashed, though the central government can do the reassessment of the additional AGR dues. So this provided some sort of restriction or the border, based on which Vodafone Idea approached the Supreme Court, and now Supreme Court has clearly mentioned that the central government can take a call on the reassessment of not just the additional AGR dues, but on the overall AGR dues. So this indicates that in the coming days, not just Vodafone Idea, but the entire telecom sector can expect some sort of relief that may come in from the telecom ministry.